In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply to universities and colleges in Canada, something I call the new strategy. And in a few seconds, I'm going to be showing you guys the reason I call it the new strategy. A quick overview. Every school has different rules on how to apply, meaning that it's not a one fit all for all the schools. It's going to be different, right? So ensure you apply at least a year in advance for a post-secondary program at a university or college. The school you choose will provide a list of documents you need to send them and how to send them and other important details. And finally, if the school admits you as a student, you will use the acceptance letter to apply for a study permit, right? So these three things are the most important things I want you guys to remember in this process I'm going to be showing you guys, right? So number one is demand. When you think about demand, let's just approach it this way. Think of a successful business, grocery stores. Think about that. Even during the pandemic, they were selling. Once you determine that, then you go with the location. But where exactly am I going to find that? That is location. And then number three, it's update. Constantly checking to know if there are changes, to know if what you've chosen is still relevant, right? So let's dive in so I can show you guys how to go about this whole process. So what you're going to do first is you go to, I'm going to leave the link on how to find in-demand jobs and the right location in the description area, because I already made a video about that. I will leave it in the description area. So what I'm doing right now is like, let's presume that I've found the right in-demand job in Canada and the right location. And then I'm going to search for that particular in-demand job across that location to see the options of the colleges I have. So let's quickly dive in. So all you have to do first of all is search for colleges and universities. So search for colleges rather. So search by keyword. On top there, you can see I put in practical nurse, and then I'll go up to where it says search by category. I don't have to do that because I've already chosen. So in what language would you like to study? I would say English, and then educational level, college. So, and because based on the in-demand research I made for practical nurses, so practical nurse, which is the first in-demand job that I'm using for this demo, I used it because you can find jobs in both Ontario and Alberta, like it's an in-demand job. So, but I'm using Alberta for an example. So I choose Alberta, and then I'm going to display a list of programs. So as you can see, I have a list of schools showing as in practical nurse. So this is now where you choose schools and you can now do a mini research. All you now do is like use this as in search tool to find the exact colleges that are offering this program, and then you make your choice. So for the second program, which is for a university, this is exactly the same process you're going to use. All you have to do is data science, and we're looking for English, and then a university. So this time around, we're going to look for data science in Ontario because Toronto seems to be like a hot demand for that. You can also find jobs in Alberta and British Columbia, but we're going to use Toronto. Then let's display. So now it's showing us Bachelor of Computer Science in University of Waterloo, Bachelor of Mathematics in Data Science. So we have lots of options. And another thing we can now do is we can confirm selection. Let's just choose, and I'll show you guys how this works. So you choose, I've chosen a couple, and then I'll confirm my selection. And now it has, it can help me calculate the cost of studying in Canada. So it's asking me, please choose the student category that will apply to you. Single, living alone in Canada. Number of dependents, I will just say single, living alone in Canada. What year are you planning to begin your studies? I'm going to choose 2022. Number of dependents, no. Confirm selection. Now I have 9 programs. Now I have to choose 3. So I'm going to choose University of Waterloo, Bachelor of Science in Data Science, which is in Ontario Tech University. And then I'm going to choose this one too. Now that I have 3, confirm and calculate the cost. So now below, as you can see, it's showing me a list of the tuition fee for the program 1. And then if you go down, you will see living cost for 1 year. You're going to see total cost, everything you need. That is the beauty of using as a search tool to streamline your search, right? So it breaks this whole thing down in a simple way. So let's say now we've chosen a university and we've chosen a college. So I chose Bow Valley College, and for this one I'm going to use Wilfrid Laurier University. So as you can see here, Bow Valley College, it has a designated learning institution number, which is this number right here, and it offers a postgraduate work permit programs. That is why it says offers PGWP eligible programs. Yes, meaning that if you're an international student and after you're done studying in Canada and you want to apply for your postgraduate work permit, then that means you chose the right college because they're offering programs that can give you a postgraduate work permit. So now let's do the same search for the other college. The other college was in Ontario, and it's Wilfrid Laurier University. So this one right here. So there are so many, they have so many as in campuses, right? Once we are going to choose as this, the university, right? So it offers a postgraduate work permit eligible programs. So first step done, InDemand job find for Wilfrid Laurier University, we chose data science, and for the college we chose practical nursing. And then the location for the practical nurse we chose Alberta. For data science we chose Ontario, right? And they are, both of them are eligible for a postgraduate work permit. Now that we have this information, let's quickly go to Bow Valley College. And all you have to do is you go here and you just search licensed practical nurse. And then it's going to come up. So you have the practical nurse diploma, 5-term practical nurse diploma, 9-term practical nurse diploma, international educated nurses. Let's go with that one. And now you have you can apply here. You click on apply, and here you now have the options. Like I said in the introductory video, each program has the application process is going to be different. So now you have the option to see the admission as in requirements. Check opening and closing dates. You're going to submit your application. You submit your transcript. So this is the area that you are going to play around. And once you are ready to, as in you've seen all you need, all you have to do is, because this is Alberta, you create an Alberta Digital ID. So you're going to create an account. That's the way to apply for schools in Alberta. I'm also going to leave this link in the description area. So this is that is that for the college in Alberta. What about the college we chose for Wilfrid Laurier University, data science? Same process. You go on the university because we've gotten all we need, and you go on the apply now. Once you hit the button on the apply now, here you're going to see all you need. Once you've done that, you now go and create your account under Ontario University's application center. You create your account and you start the process.